Hey everyone, welcome to SolarYacht. If you have VR glasses, put them on and take a look around on this beautiful SolarYacht 90. Mary will take a tour with you. You can look around in every corner. It's a pretty nice open layout. We love it. Beautiful kitchen, nice home cinema area, beautiful tables. So, Mary,
Yes,
your turn.
thank you, Arik. This is not the first SolarYacht 90 we are showing you. You probably saw already the Venice one with 3 bedrooms, and this one is totally different. It's an open layout. So there you have the kitchen. Arik is here enjoying the living room.
The home cinema.
And behind me, the home cinema is coming down. Now imagine yourself on the lake with your friends or family.
We will do it for the client.
Cool.
We will go on the lake.
Surrounded by nature and watching your favorite movie. And then right here we have the kitchen with this elegant black island with induction cooktop from Bora, refrigerator, freezer, electric oven and dishwasher. Isn't this beautiful? The table is connected to the island, and right there you have a big space for a dance floor maybe.
Dance floor, little soccer game.
Now come here. On the front part of the boat we have 2 bathrooms and 1 bedroom, and it looks amazing. This is the guest bathroom. It is pretty charming, but I want to show you the bedroom and the big bathroom they have in the front of the boat. We are now stepping in the bedroom of the SolarYacht 90 with a couple's bed, with the view to the lake, beautiful decoration, and they are even waiting for an air condition, a split air condition here. Still to come. The room has a terrace as well. As you can see, a perfect day, a perfect place for you to relax in the morning or to see the sunset. And behind this door is a master bedroom. And we are now in the master bathroom of the SolarYacht 90. I love the finishings, the colors, and the size of this bathroom. So how do you like this boat so far? Next time we are gonna take you on the lake with this boat, and we have many others to show you. Leave here on the comments what do you think about it. Cheers! I want to show you inside living room with a beamer. Home cinema and saloon. Table integrated with the kitchen. A complete kitchen with induction cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, freezer, air and electric oven, and even a thermomix.